Electric cars. The future of transportation, right? They're eco-friendly, quiet, and, well, supposed to save you money. But is that really the whole story? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the truth about the hidden costs of going electric. We've all been bombarded with messages about the benefits of electric vehicles. They're better for the planet, they're cheaper to run, or are they? Today, we're diving deep into the numbers to separate fact from fiction. Number 1. Upfront costs. Let's start with the obvious, the sticker price. While there have been strides in affordability, electric cars still generally cost more than their gas-powered counterparts. That's a significant upfront investment that many people simply can't afford. Number 2. Charging costs. You might think charging your electric car is cheaper than filling up a gas tank, but it's not always that simple. Sure, home charging can be economical, but public fast charging stations can burn a hole in your wallet. And let's not forget about the wear and tear on your car's battery from frequent fast charging. Number 3. Hidden costs. There are hidden costs to consider too. The infrastructure needed to support electric vehicles, like charging stations and grid upgrades, is expensive. And guess who pays for that? Taxpayers. Plus, electric cars are heavier, which means more wear and tear on our roads. That cost is also passed on to us. Number 4. Maintenance and repairs. While electric cars might require less routine maintenance, repairs can be a different story. Because of their complex technology, fixing an electric car can be more expensive and time-consuming, and finding a qualified technician can be a challenge. Number 5. Insurance. Think your car insurance will be cheaper with an electric car? Think again. Due to the higher purchase price and potential for costly repairs, insurance premiums for electric vehicles tend to be higher. Number 6. Depreciation. Electric cars hold their value less well than gas-powered cars. This means you'll take a bigger hit when it comes time to trade in or sell your electric vehicle. Number 7. Battery replacement. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Battery replacement. Batteries are expensive, and they don't last forever. When it's time to replace yours, you're looking at a hefty bill. So, is an electric car right for you? It depends. While they offer many benefits, the financial implications are significant. It's crucial to weigh the upfront costs, charging expenses, maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and potential battery replacement against the long-term savings and environmental impact. Ultimately, the decision to go electric is a personal one, but armed with this information, you can make a more informed choice.